Classfinder is a tool that allows you to search course offerings in a certain semester by subject, instructor, class day, requirements, and more. You can access Classfinder through Polaris, or navigate directly by going to classfinder.bowdoin.edu. The sidebar on the left contains the search parameters, and they can be combined. So you can search for history courses that meet on Wednesdays, or courses that match a particular distribution requirement taught by certain faculty members. The drop-downs allow multiple selections, so you can see results that combine many parameters. To clear your selections, you can either uncheck them or click Reset at the bottom. Within the list of search results, you'll see summary information for each course section, including the title, meeting time and location, and instructor. Click the 5-digit course registration number, or CRN, to expand and see more detail. In this view, you can see the full course description, eligibility requirements, and current enrollment information. Capacity is the enrollment limit for the course. Reserved is the number of seats set aside. Seats are not reserved for individual students, but for categories of students, so usually this is to hold space for incoming first-year and transfer students. Actual is the number of students currently registered for the course. Remaining is the number of seats remaining. If the instructor has approved students over the enrollment limit, using the class size override, that number may be a negative number. You'll also see the number of pending requests during registration rounds 1 and 2 that update in real time as students enter course requests in Polaris. Underneath the capacity information, you'll see prerequisites, which can include placements required for enrollment in the course. In the upper left of the course detail, you'll see the number of credits. Most classes are 1 credit, but some music lessons and ensembles are a half credit. You'll also see whether the course requires a separate lab. If so, students must register for both the course and a lab section simultaneously. The corresponding lab sections will be listed below and marked with an L. Then you'll see the eligibility rules. Here's a quick review of the most common ones. Class standing restriction indicates who is eligible or ineligible to register based on their class standing during the semester in which the course is taught. For example, classes that are not open to first-year students. Class exclusion indicates that you cannot enroll in the course if you've already taken the course listed below. Co-requisite courses must be taken at the same time as the current class shown. Registration preferences show the order in which seats are programmatically distributed when there are more requests than available seats during registration rounds 1 and 2. The registration preference order is unique to the specific course and is based on both class standing and major-minor. So in this example, senior majors and minors will have priority, then junior majors and minors, and then senior non-majors. When there are more requests than available seats and registration preferences are activated, all students who were shut out of the class automatically receive a bump up in the registration preference order for that specific course in a future semester. Students should bear in mind that this priority does not guarantee a seat in the class in a future semester. Instead, it moves the student to the top of their current preference group, but not to the top of the entire list. You'll need the 5-digit course registration number, or CRN, to register in Polaris. Note here that there are 2 sections of Psychology 1101, offered by different instructors and at different times. So you can't just use Psych 1101 to plan or register. The CRN is unique to each section, including labs.